Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to make a white fireplace with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's begin with a 2x6 plate. Right in the center I'm going to set down a 2x2 jumper plate, and right in the center of that a 1x2 rounded plate. Set that right there as shown. Then I'm going to take two transparent orange feathers. I'm just going to place these inside the tubes, and then what we're going to do is we're going to smoosh these together like this. Everything is centered up. It's very critical. They got to be just like that. Now we're going to take one of these 2x2 plates with a 1x2 plate on the side. I'm going to take a 1x2x3 wall panel. I'm going to set this right here, followed by a transparent clear 1x2x3 wall panel. And on this side, another one of these 2x2 plates with the 1x2 plate on the side. And I want to lock both ends together here with a pair of 1x2 plates. Place this one right here. Now we're going to set our assembly right over our flames. Just like that. Now we're going to take a 2x3 plate. I'm going to take some inverted 1x3 flat tiles. We're going to place these on the back side of our 2x3 plate. Yes, these are going to have these annoying holes. We're just going to have to live with it. I'm going to place this right here along this side, and right in the back stud a 1x1 brick. Then we're going to take a 1x1 by 1x1 downwards angular plate. I'm going to place a half round 1x1 flat tile on as shown to where it's facing like that. I want to place this right here. This is going to be one of our supports for our fireplace mantle. Then I'm going to take a 1x1 by 2/3 plate, set that right there, levels that off. And then a 1x2 by 1 2/3 brick with 4 studs. Make sure the studs are facing on the top. And then right here, another one of these 1x1 by 2/3 plates and a 1x1 brick right here. Now we're going to take an upwards 1x1 by 1x1 angular plate, place another half round 1x1 flat tile as shown. And then we're going to place this right here in that 1x1 void. Then a 2x3 plate. We're going to face this off with a set of 1x3 flat tiles. And we're going to set this panel on the right hand side. And then we're going to finish up the fireplace with the mantle in the back. A 1x6 flat tile. Now if you want to attach stuff to the top, you can replace that with a plate. Right here in the front, a 2x6 flat tile.